Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at large language models, LLMs, the AI that handles text.
Right.
We're going to move past the hype, look at where they're actually getting results in the real world.
Yeah, based on that Forbes article, which has some great examples.
Exactly. So our mission, really, is to see the actual impact LLMs are having now across different sectors and maybe pull out some key lessons.
Sounds good. And just quickly, think of LLMs as super advanced tools. They learn from massive amounts of text, so they can summarize, translate, answer questions, kind of like a human would.
But at a massive scale.
Precisely. So, where should we start? The practical stuff.
Let's jump into healthcare. The article mentioned OpenAI working with a provider. Big results there.
Oh, yeah, that was striking. A 20% reduction in diagnostic errors, reportedly, and faster patient waiting times, too.
20%, that's huge in healthcare. How are they doing that? Is it replacing doctors?
No, not replacing, more like augmenting. Think of it as an intelligent assistant. The LLM analyzes patient data history, symptoms, test results, and it can flag things. Maybe inconsistencies, maybe potential diagnoses a doctor might initially overlook. It's an extra check, basically.
Okay, so it's about adding a layer of analysis, improving accuracy. Makes sense.
Exactly. Now, switching gears a bit. What about finance? That often feels like a maze of regulations.
The article hit on that too. Financial firms using LLMs for mapping cybersecurity rules to their own policies.
And the time saving was dramatic, wasn't it? From months down to days.
Yeah, months to days. How is that even possible with such complex documents?
Well, it's about the LLM's ability to understand meaning, not just keywords. It can grasp the core requirements of, say, a cybersecurity regulation, and then intelligently match those to the company's specific procedures. It automates a really tedious, detail-heavy task.
Okay, that's a powerful application. And then there's customer service, another area mentioned.
Right, generative AI for knowledge wikis, helping claims adjusters get information faster.
Which means faster processing for customers, presumably a better experience.
Definitely. Plus, the 204/7 support angle, using LLMs for chatbots and virtual assistants.
But the article stressed something important there, data management.
Absolutely critical.
Yeah.
The LLM is only as good as the knowledge base it accesses, so you need clean, organized, up-to-date data. And for the customer-facing bots, ongoing training is key so they don't become outdated or start giving wrong answers.
Makes sense. Garbage in, garbage out, amplified.
Pretty much.
What about content creation? That feels like a natural fit.
It is. Automating marketing copy, social media posts, even basic news reports. The time savings can be significant.
But there's always a but, isn't there?
Yeah, usually. Here it's the human review. You still need people to check for accuracy, for nuance, for brand voice. The LLM is maybe a very fast first draft writer.
A very powerful intern, perhaps.
Something like that. Needs supervision.
Okay, and legal. Document review is notorious for being time-consuming.
And LLMs are tackling that too, speeding up the analysis of huge volumes of legal documents, finding relevant clauses, reducing errors.
Does it need special training for that? Legal language is pretty specific.
Oh, definitely. Domain-specific training is crucial. You feed it vast amounts of legal text so it understands the terminology, the structures, the precedents. That allows it to be way more effective than a general model.
Right. And supply chains. That seems more operational.
Yeah, applications there include things like predicting demand more accurately, managing inventory better, optimizing logistics.
All leading to cost savings and efficiency, I assume.
That's the goal. But integration is key here. The LLM's insights need to actually flow into the company's existing supply chain management systems to make a difference. It can't just be a standalone analysis tool.
Got it. Needs to be plugged in. Finally, marketing personalization.
Yep. Using LLMs to analyze customer data browsing history, purchase patterns, that kind of thing, to tailor marketing campaigns.
Making ads maybe less annoying and more relevant.
Ideally. Increased engagement is the aim. But, this is where data privacy and ethical considerations become really, really important. You have to be careful how you use that customer data.
Absolutely. So wrapping this up, the big picture seems to be LLMs are genuinely delivering value now. It's not just theory.
No, it's practical. We're seeing real efficiency gains, better accuracy, improved experiences across many different industries. The core accountability really is understanding and processing information at a scale humans just can't match.
That ability to understand and synthesize, it's fundamentally changing things.
It really is. And it makes you wonder, doesn't it? As this tech gets even better at analyzing everything, how will that continue to reshape, well, everything? Industries, jobs, maybe even our daily lives.
Definitely food for thought. What new opportunities and maybe what new challenges does that present for all of us? Lots to consider. Thanks for walking through this with me.
My pleasure. Fascinating stuff.